Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk Way. Let's analyze Fedex stocks, that package delivery company. We'll look deeply into their numbers, the general consensus on the stock, and earnings history as well. This will tell us if they're a nice company to put your money in. Subscribe and hit that bell for more stock analysis. I make them every day. And leave a like if you got a package this week. We'll start by looking at their numbers. They're up 26% in the past year, 58% in 2 years, and 155% in 5. Growth that beat the market by 2 folds. A small dividend of 0.77%. They have a nice PE ratio of 15.87, a good value compared to the average of 24, a price to sales of 1.09, very low comparing to the average of 4, an average price to book of 3.68, and a fair debt to equity of 0.93. This is a high-value stock from these numbers. Comparing Fedex to UPS, another huge delivery company, UPS has a higher PE ratio at 20.78 compared to 15.87, higher price to sales at 1.49 versus 1.09, a really high price to book of 100.26. They seem to have a lot of long-term liabilities and debt, a crazy high debt to equity of 17.18 compared to Fedex at 0.93. They also have a bigger market cap at 100 billion versus 69 billion. It seems Fedex is a better value. Let's look deeper into their earnings for the past 5 years. As we can see, they've had nice growth over the years, from 44 billion in 2013 to 60 billion in 2017. The profit increased nicely as well, from 1.56 billion in 2013 to 2.99 billion in the past year. This shows steady growth and increase in deliveries over the past 5 years. Looking at their balance sheet, we can see a nice growth in total assets, from 33.57 billion in 2013 to 49.55 billion in 2017. Debt and liabilities grew as well, from 16.17 billion to 32.48 billion, giving us steady growth in their equity as well. This seems like a very non-volatile stock with a beta of 1.12, similar to how the market moves, but beating it overall. Fedex is having an earnings report on June 19th. Their earnings history is not as steady, missing 6 out of 17, but beating 11 reports, with 6 misses of revenue as well, about a 64% chance of a beat, just using their recent history. Now let's look at what analysts think. MarketWatch has it as a buy, with TipRanks liking it as a buy too. Yahoo Finance also has it as a buy, with Zacks listing it as a number 2 buy. In terms of technical analysis, here's their chart for the past 5 years, the blue line being the price, red line is the 50-day moving average, and green is 200-day. It seems like it has huge support at the 200-day, with the price only going under it slightly here. The current price is going over the 50-day, so it's been on a bullish trend since July of 2016. It also broke out of the $250 mark, which seems important and a bullish sign, with a small dip of 5% right now. Now we'll look at recent news surrounding Fedex. With the rise of e-commerce and Amazon, Fedex only has more to gain as the middleman. Although Amazon is working on their own delivery system, Fedex will be fine without them. They know it's bad to depend on one company, which is why no more than 3% of their revenue comes from Amazon. The risk is still here if Amazon actually decides to expand their delivery company to compete with Fedex and UPS. Trump's new tax bills also increased their EPS forecast for 2018, meaning less taxes paid. They also acquired an European company called TNT, which should increase profits in the coming years. 2017 was their best year ever with 60 billion in revenue, and they only see better numbers in 2018. To see when I buy this company, join my stock market group, Monk's Market Moves, where I update you guys on every single trade I make, including my real stock portfolio with over $200,000 invested. Recent wins include Best Buy, up 4% so far, PayPal, up 4.2%, all in under 2 weeks. I just bought a stock that's up 1% and might spike up like crazy, so don't miss out. Look for the 50% off coupon in the description below. This coupon lasts a lifetime, but it's only available for the next 2 days. Subscribe and hit that bell for more analysis on hot stocks. I make them every day to keep you smart, and leave a like if you love getting packages. Keep watching to buy the best stocks, the Monk Way.